We are here at Hallett Motor Racing Circuit with the Cruis'n Oklahoma group for a full-on track day. This is actually the same event where I first ever experienced a real racetrack. Not to send it, but just to understand it. They usually run two things, a parade lap and an HST group, high-speed touring. The parade lap is more like an introduction. You follow a lead car at a controlled pace. No helmet required, you can bring passengers, even your whole family, as long as everybody's buckled in. I did that before ever doing a real session out here. Just cruising, learning the corners, seeing the elevation, realizing how different a real track feels compared to video games or YouTube. Then there's HST, where you actually drive the track, not racing, not competing, just learning, pushing, and improving. They split everyone into two run groups in HST. Novice/beginner and intermediate/advanced. If you're new, you start in the novice group. An instructor rides with you for the first few sessions to make sure you're safe, understand the track etiquette, and know how to check your mirrors and how to give proper point buys. After that, they let you go solo. The intermediate and the advanced drivers can't really chase lap times if someone doesn't know etiquette, so the separation keeps the thing smooth and safe for everyone. I get why a lot of people hold off on track days. That pressure of thinking you're gonna be in the way, mess up, or look clueless. But at this event, there were so many beginners that it just felt normal to be one. And for me, this was the moment I realized, yeah, I should have done this sooner. Me, Bernard in his 500 horsepower Evo X, Austin with his K-swapped Integra, Schwabe with his S2000, and Tony with his K-swap Civic. We actually beat the gates opening just so we can claim a good race port spot and get everything set up in peace. So the race ports are reserved for the people that are doing HST. Meanwhile, the rest of the cruising group was at the bowling alley having their pre-event breakfast with like hundreds of cars. They sometimes roll in late to the driver's meeting, but honestly, that's just part of culture. So first session out, the GS felt pretty solid. Different days could change the way your car feels, so that's what the first session is for, just to get everything warmed up, get a feel for everything. But I was already able to beat my fastest lap. So my previous PR was 138.01. So in this first session, I was already able to beat it with a 137.96. All thanks to trying to keep up to Bernard's super fast Evo. he actually had to slow down for me. So after the first session, Tony's Civic actually ended up cracking his header mount, but he was able to borrow the welder at the shop in Hallett, and he was able to fix it just in time to make the third session. There was some wild cars out there too. The Radical SR3 was in my group and just flew past me like I wasn't even moving. It was very interesting, the difference between my car and just a straight race car. Fastest I got was a 138.26. Not faster, but clean, smooth, consistent. I was trying to keep up with the C8 Corvette, but he was way too fast, and the Radical was just gone. Last session. So this is the one. I was following Austin pretty much the whole time, so I was able to beat my PR and put down 137.05. I smell burning. I think my brakes are gone. My brakes are gone. So I finished the third session literally metal to metal on my brake pads, and yes, I drove home like that. This was definitely a fun day. Everybody made it home safe. All the cars are intact. You got a new PR, and it was very chill having good people around you. If you guys haven't gone to a track day, you guys should definitely check it out. It is definitely a very fun experience. Hope you guys liked the video, so please like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.